Hi, Video Fitness Coach friends. This is Anita Stone, and I'm doing my 21 Days to Fitness course videos, and I just finished a video on our menu ideas for the week, and I remembered something that happened this week, and I wanted to tell you about it. I've been talking to you about getting antioxidants into your system. I remember one time I was at the gym, and I was riding the bike, and a guy came up next to me and started riding the bike, and he said, "Oh, I just didn't have any energy this morning, so I took 2 vitamins." And I didn't want to break the guy's bubble, but you know, you guys, 2 vitamins isn't going to give you energy. What vitamins do is they keep you from getting sick, okay? So, you know, like for example, if you're reading the back of the vitamin bottle label, and it says that the recommended daily allowance for vitamin C, for example, I think it's 60 milligrams. Well, that 60 milligrams means that that is the minimum amount of vitamin C that you should be taking in every day in order to not die, okay, in order to not get scurvy. That's what those RDAs are for. That's talking about that's what you need to be alive. Well, do we want to just be alive? Do we want to just be not dead? Or do we want to really feel good? Do we want to try to fend off cancer and a lot of these other diseases and high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and all that? Well, antioxidants play a really huge role in that. Now, what does antioxidant mean? I explained this to my family just recently because I heard a really good example. And this is how it was explained to me. I was listening to a nutritionist on TV, and he said, this is what antioxidant means. Let's say you have a car, and it is sitting out for a long time, for 20 years, and it starts rusting, okay? Rusting is oxidation. That's what is happening. That's what we call rusting, oxidation. Well, that's what happens in your body. Oxidation means things are dying. So cells die all the time, and we take in lots of free radicals in our system, which are like, you know, it's like having little termites in your body. They just go around killing your cells, and we don't want those free radicals. And what antioxidants do is that they will neutralize those free radicals. And so we want something that is anti-oxidation. In other words, anti-dying. We want something that will bring life. And so that's what antioxidants do. And the most popular antioxidants you will hear about are vitamins A, C, and E. But there are lots more. I think there are hundreds of different antioxidants. Well, I was in GNC this week, and I was shopping around, found some protein bars on sale, and looking around there on their clearance rack, they had this product called Maximum Fruits. And it was marked down. It was regularly $30 because it's 30 servings, and it's a tablespoon a day. There's 30 tablespoons in here. And it's supposed to be 7 fruits, a serving of 7 fruits with every tablespoon. So if you took a tablespoon of this a day, you would be adding essentially 7 fruits as far as the number of antioxidants anyway that are in 7 fruits to your diet. And the way these antioxidants are measured is with ORAC value. It's spelled O-R-A-C. And so I read on this label because I knew what I was looking for, and you need to know what you're looking for on these labels. So it says here that the ORAC value of this product is about 6,000 units. And that's pretty good. You can find lots higher than 6,000, but still that's pretty good. And so I know for sure I would not have paid $30 for this, but it was marked down to $7. And they expired. The reason is because they expired next month, and so I thought, well, for $7, okay, I'll buy that little fruit powder, and I'll add it to my protein shake every day. Now, this is not near the product that Shakeology is. If you look at the Shakeology label, like I've told you, that's over 70 ingredients. But this product does have lots of different, it has good fruits. It's got tomato, it has prune, plum, pineapple, papaya, orange, kiwi, guava. It has grape seeds, which is really good, cranberry, blackberry, bilberry. That's a very good berry that you can't just buy in the store. And so it's a good product, but I wouldn't pay $30 for it. So, but I paid $7. So brought it home and mixed it with water. First of all, it won't even mix at all stirring it up. So it's going to have to go in the blender. So I put it in the blender with water. It tastes so bad. I mean, I can take things that taste bad if I know they're good for me. Back when they used to be making the protein powders years ago, remember I told you they tasted like chocolate cardboard. They didn't taste any better than the container that they were packaged in. And I just drank it down like medicine. I would put banana extract in it, and I'd put vanilla extract in it, and I'd put ice, and I'd put strawberries, anything just to get it down. But I'm telling you, this is so bad that I'm thinking, what can I put in it? So I put some vanilla protein powder in it. Still, it just totally ruined the taste of the vanilla protein powder. And so, I mean, I will probably manage to drink this eventually. I think if I haven't done it yet, but I think if I put a tablespoon of this in with my large size, which I haven't done yet, chocolate protein shake, I think that there will be so little of it in the entire shake. Because I use a cup that's a 32-ounce cup. I think it'll maybe give it just a little bit of a strawberry taste, and I won't get that bad flavor that it has. So, listen, before you spend $30 on a product, make sure it's something that you're going to be able to get down. And like I said about the Shakeology, it tastes so good you want to drink it. And so that's just a comparison of two products that I've tried recently. And again, this isn't a GNC. Yeah, it is a GNC brand product. Sorry, GNC. I do like a lot of your other products. But like I said, make sure that you're not buying something that you're just going to have to throw away. Now, the good thing about GNC, and I will say this, is that they will take anything back. If you take it home and you don't like it, they will take it back. About a few months ago, about 6 months ago, I bought some packages of cereal in there that said 20 grams of protein on the little single-serving packs. And I thought, oh, those would be great if you're going camping or going on a trip. You might want to take some little packets of cereal. And so when we poured those little packets of cereal out, it was Raisin Bran, and then all this white powder came out of the packet into our bowl. And so all that little packet of cereal was Raisin Bran plus about a scoop or about 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Well, the protein powder just ruined the taste of the cereal. It tasted terrible. And so what I didn't take those back, although I could have, but what we ended up doing was we just sifted out all the protein powder with a colander out of all those little packets of cereal. We ate the Raisin Bran and we used the protein powder to make our protein shakes with. So we did end up using it. And so, but anyway, like I said, just be careful what you buy. Make sure it's something that you're really going to be able to use. And don't spend too much until you're sure it's something you're going to really like. Well, thanks for listening and hope that helps you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.